truck. My mom's driving crazy. Look at Nina. We're going crazy. We're going Woo! Say anything to say if you're still watching this video.
Love you.
I love you too. And Sammy has to pee. And what do you gotta do, Nina? She's practicing on her phone. She gotta do. Look at her face. I mean, pretty. I got pretty. No. I meant pretty. Okay, go. We're done. Look at the beautiful buildings and trees. We're going to pick up my brother. My hair is probably looking a hot mess right now.
So is mine, don't worry.
For real, like, look at
Look at Spirit. Guys, she's not finished giving the business to somebody. I'm gonna give you the business. I'm sorry. Don't, no.
Shut up, worship. Dude, have you ever played that